So what is your name and what do you do?
My name's Bill Daly, and I'm in medical sales.
How did you originally hear about living water irrigation?
It was the first Google company that popped up.
What services did living water irrigation provide for you?
Had a busted irrigation pipe, and so we were leaking water
Did living water irrigation exceed your expectations?
by far. The customer service was unbelievable. So
How does living water irrigation compare to other sprinkler companies?
you guys showed up early, notified me when you were on your way, sent me actually a picture of the representative that was coming, as well as your interests and your hobbies and everything. So it was impressive.
Why would you recommend living water irrigation to friends and family?
Just because of that fact that you guys are on time, you do what you say you're going to do, you double check everything, and happy with the service.